this video that went up, and it went through inner channels at Sea-Doo, went through some of the dealerships. It is not on their YouTube channel, and it's not on their Facebook page. It's been scrubbed. If it was there, it's been scrubbed. If it wasn't there, it was handed out clandestinely. But Sea-Doo corporate put out a video explaining supply chain woes, explaining the efforts that they made previously, explained their projections for 2023, explained what changes they're making to their production processes. Then for the latter half of the video, they took absolute flaming arrows. They took some of the hardest, meanest, troll-like comments and answered them with a smile on their face. I'm going to tell you this. This gentleman right here, who kind of looks like Jack Dorsey from Twitter. He's got the long beard and the short cropped hair. All right. That's James Hines. All right. James Hines is the Sea-Doo brand manager. He is in charge of Sea-Doo. All right. He's the one who is making the trajectory decisions as to what Sea-Doo needs to produce in the future. This young guy is in charge of Sea-Doo. All right. I've talked to James Hines. I've spent a lot of time talking to James Hines. If you ever saw my Sea-Doo GTI 170 review, the video footage that's taken from the water level with like the fisheye lens where the GoPro is sitting there at the water level and I'm going around him doing donuts. I put the brand manager in the water and I did 30-mile-an-hour donuts around him. Okay. He's actually a pretty cool cat. So James stands there and apologizes for 5 minutes straight going, we know you guys are upset. We know you dealers are frustrated. We know our customers are mad. We're sorry. We're doing our damnedest. Okay. Then they sat there and read they pulled out their phone and started reading some of the gnarliest comments going, you guys are lying and you guys are pulling the wool over our eyes. And why are you making 2023 product when the 2022s aren't done? And they're getting freaking curb stomped. All right. And this 10-minute video of these guys absolutely taking it in the shorts. And I sat there and I watched this when it came out. And I'm like, never in my career, automotive or power sports, have I seen top brass fall on the sword like this. I'm going to reiterate. Being an automotive journalist and power sports journalist, for 19 years, never in my life have I seen something like this. Okay. Now, is this making me a big kiss ass to James? And no, it's making me go, A, how bad are things? And B, that's pretty ballsy to get in front and just take it. Okay. They're taking it. And the fact that they went through and they just detailed, listen, these are the efforts we've made. These are the complications we've encountered. This is where we're hung up. And they admit it. They're like, this is where we're hung up. This is what is slowing us down. Chip shortage, material shortage, labor shortage, cost of shipping, getting stuff to dealers, getting finished units done, XYZ. It's, again, I've said most everything that was said in that video, but it's good to hear it from these guys. And they go, listen, honesty is the best policy in this case. And that's refreshing because I've never seen that. I've seen a lot of companies pretend nothing's happening, tell everyone they're fine, put out press releases like nothing's going on, and they just kind of go, out of sight, out of mind, pretend nothing's going on. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.